Hello everybody. Welcome to today's video. It is another super simple, and I will link it all below if you're interested, or it just will give you some ideas for any upcoming projects that you have. This was the prototype, and I actually made a video with it, and in the video I went back and watched it, and I was sick during the time. I went back and watched it and I was like, making no sense. And so I'm making it again, and it's gonna be better for sure. And it's a cute one. It's a little flip out. You'll glue this piece down in a journal, and then it becomes a little flip out, but it's a cute one, and we are just going to jump into it. Okay, so you have three main pieces that look like this. And all you're going to do is turn one of the green ones over. It doesn't really matter which one. I'm doing this one, and that'll work for me. I'm printing on 110-pound cardstock. You can do that or anything lighter, all the way to just regular printer paper, which works fine as well. I just like the 110-pound cardstock for the video because it's a little stiffer, and it makes it a little easier to showcase what I am trying to do, whereas the printer paper is a little bit more flimsy. Okay, so then you're gonna add some glue and glue on this pink paper and onto the back of one of the green papers, and you're gonna notice that I am struggling to get it lined up. Just kidding. You're gonna notice that it crosses over the crease, like it's a bigger paper than the whole side is. So then you're going to go ahead and refold your line, because I already had it folded and ready to go. So as you can see now, like part of that is folded, and that's meant to be that way. It's totally meant to be that way because it's just going to help hide any of the white papers when you add your other papers on. Sometimes I'll grab a ruler to really help get my lines flat. Okay, you're gonna grab your next green paper, and we're gonna add some glue onto this other side. Oh, don't do that. Hold on. Hold your horses. Before you glue on that, you're going to grab this piece, and it looks like this originally, and that just the green piece gets folded down, and then this one, and we're going to glue down just the small flap. First, the green paper we're gonna glue down. Oh my goodness, I hope I'm making sense. This is off to a rough start, but you're just gonna glue down just the small flap. Do not glue down the big flap yet. And there's a reason for this. Okay, then you're gonna get this paper, and this big flap is actually gonna get glued under this green paper. So, I guess one thing I'm gonna do, if I can get my glue open, my other glue. Wow, that was crazy. My glue kind of just exploded a little. Okay. Well, and then you're just gonna glue the edge like that. Wow, what a video already. Such fun times. Then you're gonna glue the back side of this white flap to the back of this. You can put it as high or as low as you want. Mine's going right there. And now you can glue down the back of this to this. Glad I remembered that step. Gonna try to really add some glue on here. Do my best to line it up. sometimes my cutting is a little imperfect, and so if that is the case for you, when you're finished, you can go ahead and cut off any white pieces that are showing up top. Okay, and just like that, we have our main piece, which is that. So now comes the fun part. You get to add some extra things. So we'll start with these 3 things. These are going to be kind of just little add-ons wherever you would like. This is going to be my main cover, so I may possibly try to reserve, I think I'm going to do this pocket for my main cover. I think that would be cute. Even though my glue has literally exploded. I don't know what's happened, but hopefully I'm not adding too much glue. I'm just gonna go ahead, glue the 3 sides. Perfect. Got a lot of fun things coming in December. I'm really excited. Although most of our Christmas stuff is already out. So mid-December we'll stop making Christmas stuff and we're gonna start moving on, because you gotta be ahead of the game, you know. And then I'm gonna stuff this with, I have some options here. I think I'll do these 2. This is just a double-sided tag that can be glued together. I'm gonna leave mine open for the simplicity of this video. Add lace or little rivets or whatever you would like. There's some fun ephemera. I'm going to add this little Christmas ephemera. I think it's so cute. I'm just gonna try to not waste this glue, and I'm gonna try to just, you could also make this little piece of pocket, but as you can see, it's a little too late for me to do that. But that would be a cute little pocket. All right, and then there's my cover, and it was just that simple. There's definitely more add-ons and little things that you can do to spruce it up, but it's up to you. Okay, let's grab our next piece, which is this, and this can go anywhere. Like, you could put it here and have a pocket. I'm putting mine here. It's a kind of a new little thing that I wanted to try. Just kind of like a side pocket, horizontal pocket. Horizontal? A vertical pocket. Wait, I don't know. The things go in horizontally. The ephemera, but I don't know. But it's just a tall pocket where you can put things in on the side. And then I have these 2 pieces, and there's some tags and stuff, but for now I'll just put that in here. And we'll get around and we'll see if there's anything we want to add later. But for now, we're going to flip it over. This part will be hidden, so no worries there. And we're going to add some journaling cards. All right, journaling card number 1 is going to just be a pocket. So I'm going to leave the top open. I put up my Christmas tree yesterday. I'm really excited about it. We got a real tree this year, and I really am just so excited about it. It's my first year being my first Christmas with my husband, and you know, as a married couple, and so it was really a sweet time to decorate our tree together yesterday, and I just enjoyed it. I love my husband. He is the best. Okay, now we're gonna make a little tag right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fold this in half generally, add some glue here and some glue here. I'm gonna make a little pull tab. Got it where I want, and I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna add a ribbon. So there's this. The We Are Memory Keepers small rivet maker. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I love it. Okay, and I'm gonna wait for it to be 100% dry before I make a little hole in it. So we'll move on to this one. I do have this, but I don't really want two journaling cards by each other, so I can put that somewhere else. I'm actually gonna make another little pocket. Well, let me think. We have this. I was thinking of making a little pocket like this with this little writing card that could, you know, stick in it, but I like it, but let's play around for a second. We could just do a smack dab tag, smack dab in the middle, but I want this to be in a pocket if I do that. Oh, and I should mention, this goes with this little tag. No, it goes with a different tag. Which tag does this come with? Oh, I know. I accidentally cut this off, but this goes with this, but I accidentally cut it off. Normally it'd be like this and you would just fold it up. So there's that. I accidentally cut mine off, which you can if you like that look, so. But it's turning out good. All right, let's put back. Stay on track, stay focused. All right, so I just gotta decide what I wanna do here. There's tons of options. I could just do a little image, that would be fun. I wanna do a pocket of some sort, but I don't know which pocket I want to do. So, I think I'm gonna do this and maybe make a little, like, a little collage. I'm gonna make this a pocket and this a pocket. This one's gonna be a 3-sided pocket. So keep your glue thin if you can. I know that helps me. We're just sending it on this one. There are a ton of options you can do with this. On the last one, that's kind of what I did, but I kind of want to add more. So now I have these 2 little tags I'm just gonna stick in there. And we could definitely add another pocket right there, just making it a collage. So this one, I'm gonna do a 2-sided pocket, this edge and this edge, just so a lot of stuff can fit in there. And this edge. Perfect. I just like that image. It's a vintage bell. It's just very cute. And then there's this writing card. You can glue it together. I'm leaving mine apart for now. Just sticking that in there. And then I got some more things I could stick in if I wanted to. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave it. There's more images you could stack. There's this cute December little word. Could add there. I think I like that. We're gonna add it there. Just to create some more layering. Definitely could add some lace here. Make it cute. Make it yours, you know. All right, now time to add the rivet into here. I usually just eyeball it, so. There we go. That looks pretty centered. Not too shabby. Okay, it's actually not centered. That's okay. Okay, there we go. All right, let's flip back here. And I'm gonna add my final writing card right here. And I'm just gonna glue it down. It's not gonna be a pocket. Not gonna be anything fancy. Just get a general, just layer down. Perfect. Hope you guys had the best Thanksgiving. I know I had a good time, and I hope you guys did too. I was able to go to Arizona. We went with my husband's side of the family. It was fun. it was fun. It was new, but it was a good time. Okay, then we got this tag, and it gets glued together. Again, I'm just gonna not glue it together. I'm just sticking it in. I'm putting mine there. You can put it wherever you want. Okay, I got this, but I'm worried because there's two right there, so we don't need both right next to each other. But that's a really fun piece that you could find something to do with. Could be just stick it in there for now. All right, this is coming along beautifully. Okay, now I have a ton of just these little words, and you can really just add them wherever you would like. I'm gonna do a deck the halls right here. There's 6 total. Don't have to use them all, but it just adds some character to all and any projects you choose to do. Okay, on this, let's do, I'm gonna not quite fold this in half because I want the whole number showing, but I'm gonna do that and just glue it right there. Because I wanted to add a little bit of detail. Get some on the back. I don't know if that's quite lined up. It's okay. It's the best part about junk journaling is it's like so easy to fix any mistakes. Okay, cute. A rivet would also be really cute in that. Good. Kind of want this in front, like that. Where else can we add some words? I could add another one of these into here, so there's 3. Could also could add number 9510 right there. I'm gonna leave it out. You know, maybe though I could add it right here. That would be cute. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna add some glue to the top of this. I'm gonna do my best to center, well, not centered, but just, I want it hanging off so that I can cut it. That's what I wanted. So that way, when I flip it over, I have a little number peeking at the top. Cute. And I think I have some more, but I think I'm gonna call it good there. So again, if you are confused, this is pretty thick. After you have it all together with 110 pound cardstock, it's pretty thick. So if you're putting it into a journal, I recommend, this would totally be fine. It would just be a thick portion of your journal. Not too bad, but I would recommend probably trying to print your backing pieces maybe on a little bit lighter paper, and then maybe these other pieces on the heavier paper. It's probably the ideal situation, but truly anything works. This would also make a really cute card because it's built like that. I'm just gonna leave this out because it keeps falling out. Lots of writing space in this journal, which I love. So if you like the writing space idea, this is definitely the one for you. Lots of hidden elements, which is super fun, and tons of ways to customize and personalize this one. So this is a good one if that is your thing. And you'll glue this part onto a page of your journal. So your page would be right here, and it would flip, and it has all sorts of fun flipping features, fun flip features. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys just have a lovely time getting all ready for Christmas, and happy holidays. We will see you next time.